Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix SFC space Scannow found corrupt files but wasn't able to fix some of them in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for PowerShell. Okay, so once you've typed that, go for the best match, which is Windows PowerShell. Okay, and then go with Run as administrator here. So the moment your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to give consent on running this program as administrator. So here in this window, you need to type a command which is repair dash Windows image space dash online space dash restore health. Again, just have to post this video, okay, so that you would be able to take a screenshot of this or you can take a picture of it also. Here it is repair dash Windows image space dash online space dash restore health and then click on enter. So once you have click on it, it will start the operation. Just have to wait until the process will be done. Don't turn it off or don't close this Windows PowerShell, okay? And don't turn off your computer as well. Just have to be patient. This will take some time. It will depends on your machine, but trust me, it will fix your problem. Okay? So let's say you're done. Just have to close this window and then you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So at the bottom search bar, try to type CMD and wait for the best match to appear and go with run as administrator. So your account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to open this command prompt. Here, please type sfc space forward slash scan now and then click on enter. So now that we can now that we have just typed SFC space forward slash scan now, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, check if it has resolved the issue. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.